Hi guys, Pete Stone with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to walk you through our 2023 Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard. Let Frank give you a profile shot of the boat here. This is the Horizon hull side color, obviously white bottom. And this boat does come standard with a trailer. Making your way in, notice this boat is powered with a white Mercury 200 outboard. It's a nice little contrast from the gray sea deck that you'll see on the swim platform here. All right. Making your way in, which I really like about the SPX series, we can obviously have this aft-facing lounger here. Our ski tow pylon is right there. And because we do have the outboard, we do have access to all of this storage right here. Great spot for beach chairs, extra towels, anything else you're bringing on board. All of our cup holders and grab handles and switches, openings for the locks are all stainless steel. All right, you can see the infinity woven flooring throughout the cockpit. 3-position port lounger. We can kind of lay back this way, or if we have more people on board, we can lay it flat. So you have a whole bench area right here. Captain's chair with thigh-high bolster. We have our digital SIMRAD display here. Fusion radio. Right now, up in the bow, we actually do have the bow filler in place. So that's an awesome spot to kind of hang out and catch some sun. Strike points backwards. This boat does have the optional sports arch. Right now the canvas is folded up, but once we extend it, give you some nice shade inside the cockpit. All right guys, again, 2023 Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard. This boat is available and in stock in Brick, New Jersey. Feel free to come in or visit us online. Thank you.